In this video, we're going to talk about 3.3 Objective 6, where we use derivatives to find slope locations and equations of tangent lines. Let's go ahead and get started. Y equals x to the fifth minus 9x to the second plus 3x minus 4. And we're interested when a is equal to 1. So let's find y of 1. We'll need that point in a little bit to use our point slope form of our line. That's -9 for the y value. So we have the point 1, -9. We'll also need y prime, which is 5x to the fourth minus 18x plus 3. So y prime at 1 is going to be 5 minus 18 plus 3. So 8 minus 18 is a -10. So we have a point and we have a slope. Y minus a -9 is equal to 10 times x minus 1. Y plus 9 is equal to a -10x plus 10. Subtract 9 from both sides. Y is equal to a -10x plus 1 for the equation of my tangent line. Then this function has a negative y-intercept, so it can't be that one. And it is cubic or fifth degree, so it can't be that one. And the equation of the tangent line is not constant, so it's got to be this one. All right, y is equal to 8 root x, and a is equal to 16, so y is equal to y of 16 is equal to 8 root 16 is 8 times 4 is 32. We're going to write y of x is equal to 8x to the 1/2 to find its derivative. Y prime of x is 4x to the -1/2, or 4 over the square root of x. Y prime of 16 is 4 over root 16, is 4 over 4 is 1. And that's going to give me y minus 32 is equal to 1 times x minus 16. Y minus 32 equals x minus 16. Add 32 to both sides. Y equals x plus 16. My scale here goes by 5s on y. So 16 is going to be 3 tick marks and a little bit more. So that's going to be A. F of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 2. And f prime of x is equal to 2x plus 6. Part A asks me to find when that slope is equal to 0. So that's 2x is equal to -6 and x is equal to -3. Part B asks me to find when that slope is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. F of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 36x plus 5. F prime of x is equal to 6x squared minus f of x is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 5. F prime of x is 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. And F, we want to find where that tangent line is horizontal, which means it's going to have a slope of 0. So stick those into the original. F of, let's do -2 first, is 2 times -2 cubed, 3 times -2 squared minus 36 times -2 plus 5, 2 times -8 minus 3 times 4 plus 72 plus 5, say -16 minus 12 plus 77. 77 minus 18 is going to be this is 28, not 18, is 49. So that gives me the point -2, 49. F of 3 is equal to 2 times 3 cubed minus 3 times 3 squared minus 36 times 3 plus 5 is 2 times 27 minus 3 times 9 minus 108 plus 5 is 54 minus 27 is 27 minus 103 is going to be -76. So that gives me the point 3, -76. So this is -2, 49, and 3, -76. That's just the first part here. Let's save that f prime of x is equal to 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. And clear the canvas. F prime of x is equal to 6x squared minus 6x minus 36. And I want to find where it equals 144. So 6x squared minus 6x minus 36 equals 144. Everything's still divisible by 6. It's 24. X squared minus x minus 30 is 0. X minus 6, x plus 5. X equals -5 or x equals 6. F of -5 is going to be 2 times -5 to the third minus 3 times -5 squared minus 36 times -5 plus 5. 2 times -125 minus 3 times 25 plus 180 plus 5, -250 minus 75 plus 185. This is going to be -250 plus 110 is -140. Then f of, so that is -5, 140. We have 6 is 6 times, is 2 times 6 to the third minus 3 times 6 to the second minus 36 times 6 plus 5 is 2 times 216 minus 3 times 36 minus 216 plus 5. So 216, well, this is for 32 minus 108 minus 216 plus 5. Scroll this up a little bit. 216 minus 103 is 113. That gives me the 0.6, 113. All right. Let's move on now to number 5. (40 root x minus 4x), and all the points where the tangent line is horizontal. So let's think of that as 40x to the 1/2 minus 4x. Derivative is 20x to the negative 1/2 minus 4 is 20 over, let's just call this 20 minus 4x to the 1/2 over x to the 1/2. It's 20 minus 4 root x over root x. This fraction is equal to 0 when the numerator is equal to 0. So 20 minus 4 root x is equal to 0. Divide everything by negative 4. Root x minus 5 equals 0. Root x equals 5. X is 25. If x is 25, then f of 25 is 40 root 25 minus 4 times 25 is 40 times 5 minus 100 is 200 minus 100 is 100. Now I want my slope to be equal to negative 3/2. That's going to be 20 minus 8 root x is equal to negative 3 root x. And that's going to be 20 is equal to 5 root x. Root x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 16. Sorry, 40 minus 8 root x is going to be 40. And then that's going to be 8, and that's going to be 64. So f of 64 is 40 root 64 minus 4 times 64. 40 times 8 minus 256. 320 minus 256 is 64. This is 64, 64. So now at number 6. We have y equals 2x plus 4 for the tangent line for f. And that means that f prime at 3 is 2. That gives me the point P on the line that is let's see, this needs to be minus 6 over here. It's minus 10, so this is y minus 10, 2x minus 6, so the y minus 10 is 2 times x minus 3. So my point here is 310. And g is slope of 2 and goes through 0, -3. Well, that makes this a lot easier for the tangent line. This is going to be 2x minus 3 for its tangent line. And then I want a new function that's going to be f of x plus g of x. So its y prime is going to be f prime of x plus g prime of x. This will give me the slope of that tangent line. So y prime of 3 will be f prime of 3 plus g prime of 3 will be 2 plus 2 is 4 for the slope. Now, f of 0 or let's see here. So my y-intercept here is 4, and my y-intercept there is -3. So to get my y-intercept of my new tangent, I should be able to take 4 plus a -3 is 1. I should be able to add the functions together like that. And I should be able to get a tangent line of 4x plus 1. Let's write some of this information down here so I can reuse it. So y equals 2x plus 4. F prime of 3 is 2 at the point 310 if I need it. And f and y of 0 here is 4. And I have y equals 2x minus 3. F prime of 3 is 2. This point is 0, -3, and y of 0 here is -3. All right. Now I need y equals f of x minus 2 g of x. So y prime is f prime minus 2g prime. So y prime at 3 is 2 minus 2 times 2. 2 minus 4 is -2. And my y of 0 here will be 4 minus 2 times -3. 4 plus 6 is 10. So y equals -2x plus 10. And then I have y equals 3 f of x. Y prime is 3 f prime of x. Y prime at 3 is 3 times 2 is 6. And my y of 0 here is going to be 3 times 4 is 12. So y equals 6x plus 12. All right, let's wrap up with number 7. If f of x is equal to x squared plus bx plus c, and at x equals 5, y equals 5x plus 2 means f of 5 is equal to 25 plus 5b plus c, and that needs to be equal to 27. So 5b plus c has to be equal to 2. Also, f prime of x is equal to 2x plus b. That needs to be equal to my slope of 5. So f prime of 5 is 10 plus b. That needs to be equal to my slope of 5. So b is a negative 5. If b is negative 5, 5 times negative 5 plus c is 2. Negative 25 plus c is 2. And c is 27. This is negative 5, and that's 27. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time, and we will talk about 3.3, objective 7, where we find higher order derivatives of functions. See you for the next video.